Hello, I want to find the value of m from this given nice Olympiad exponential equation. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Solution. We have the given equation 2 raised to power m plus 4 raised to power m is equal to 8 raised to power m. Then 2 raised to power m plus 4 raised to power m can be written as 2 square to the power of m is equal to 8 raised to power m can be written as 2 raised to power 3 to the power of m. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power m to the power of n. Then this is 2 raised to power m plus 2 raised to power m square is equal to 2 raised to power m raised to power of 3. Let 2 raised to power m is equal to y plus y square is equal to y raised to power 3. And we can rearrange this. This is y raised to power 3 minus y square minus y is equal to 0. Then let's factor y out. Y bracket y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is y is equal to 0, or the second case, y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0, and this is a quadratic equation. This can be solved using quadratic general formula. Our quadratic general formula is giving us y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Y is equal to minus times minus 1, that is 1, plus or minus square root of minus 1 square, 1, minus 4 times 1 times minus 1, that is plus 4 over 2. Y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. Then y is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or y is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. But this is less than 0, so the whole of this is rejected. The only solution we have is this: y is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and this is also called golden ratio. But 2 raised to power m is equal to y. 2 raised to power m is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Let's take the log of both sides. Log 2 raised to power m is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. M log 2 is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Let's divide both sides by log 2 divided by log 2. This will cancel this. M is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2 divided by log 2. And this is the final answer.